Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. And see again I'm back to teach you Standard 3, Lecture 2 of Chapter 13, Our Neighborhood. So we have learned much more about neighborhoods in first video, so just take a short look. So from starting we have learned about the Farida and Rani. Both are good friends. They go to school together and they play together after school. Their parents also meet each other. They also always celebrate festivals together. In fact, Farida's house is next to Rani's house. It means that Farida and Rani, they are not just friends, good friends, they are also neighbors. Now, we know that there are several houses near our house. Then the people living in those houses are our neighbors. So the area near your house, is your neighborhood. Now neighbors are very important, and it helps each other and share the things. The children in the neighborhood, they also play together and have lots of fun together. Sometimes the neighbor child, they just go on holiday vacations and holiday together also. The neighbors is not means that their only house and peoples are there, they are neighbors. The neighborhood is that which helps us in our daily lives and gives us our daily services. Like suppose we know that a neighborhood is a part of city, village, town, or and most neighbors have a market, a park, a school, places of neighborhood, places of worship. So these all, in fact, bigger neighborhoods, they may have hospitals, a postman, cinemas, hall, shopping mall. So they all are neighborhood services. They all are neighborhood services which we need the things in our daily life. They just provide these all things. They all are also neighbors. Now these neighborhood services are very useful. These neighborhood services like the hospital, cinemas, postman, then these shopping mall. So these all the neighbor services, it's very important for the people who living there. They just helps us in every way. If we need something, then we can take from there. So it helps us in many ways also. Now, and we have to support, and we have to see that they are good. We have to not only play with neighbors, we should always help one another also. We should always help one another. So when suppose if the neighborhood, if sometimes their mothers become sick, then we have to help the other persons. So, and in fact, for take care of themselves, for Ketwen Soul, we have to make the greeting card also, so that they feel happy, and then that gifts they made them happy. Now from it's the topic in a neighborhood in Kerala. The neighbors take care of an old man who does not have any family and lives all alone. So in neighborhoods in Kolkata, we are talking about the Kolkata neighborhoods, they just take care of an old man. Old man means in one house, if any one old persons, they lived alone. So they helps an old man who does not have any families and they live all alone. So in Kolkata, the neighbors, they helps that old man. They take turns to help him with his shopping and hospital visits. So they take the turn, because in Kolkata only not one house is their neighbors, so many more houses are there. Then they just take the turns, their 10 turns, that in this time they will go that shopping, and that neighbors will go with hospitals visit. So they just take turn to help him with these things, with go shopping with that old person and visit the hospitals. They also take him out to meet his friend. See, it's a very good habit in Kolkata. See, they also take him out to meet that old person's friends, his friends. It's it's a very good, and it's like that we are just, it's a very good things that every persons they have these all qualities. They have become his family and they just treated him like a family members. They just go with them for shopping, for the hospitals. In fact, they take them to meet his friend also, and they have become like a family. Then, thus, we all can be good neighbors. Exactly, we can all become a good person and we can help everyone, every person in our neighborhood. It is nice to live in a neighborhood where people help each other and treat others with kindness. And it is very good and it is very nice that we can live in a neighborhood where the people of the neighborhoods, they can each help us, help other, and they can treat the others with a kindness, not rudeness, with a kindness. It's a very good sign of the persons. Keeping the neighborhood clean. So if we have the neighborhood, then we have to keep the neighborhood clean also, so that it looks a clean area and clean neighborhood. So we must keep our neighborhood clean. We must keep our neighborhood clean. We can all help by throwing rubbish in dustbins and not on the streets. So we, all the persons of the neighbors, we can help. We should not throw that garbage or rubbish in, we should always throw that in dustbin, not in the street. So you can form a small group with the other children in the neighborhood and use your holiday to clean the area around your house. Or in fact, suppose like something is there, dust or the dirty rubbish is there, then you can take, you can form a small group of your child, of the neighborhood's child, and then you can just use your holiday. On that holiday you can start cleaning the areas of your house, so it's look very beautiful also. Now, did you know it's there? Some neighbors encourage people to follow the 3 R's. Exactly. Some people, some neighbors is what they just follow. Some people of the neighbors, they just follow the 3 R's. R's means 3 R's means reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means we should try to reduce the number of things we buy. Whatever we are buying, we just try to reduce them, number of things that we should buy. Then reuse means we must try and find new things for old things. Suppose if old thing is there like bottles and something, then we can just innovate and we should just make that how we can use that old things to change into a new thing. So we can that reuse. Now reduce is what we should use, we should try to recycle old things. Recycle means to change used item into new products, so that the things which they can make the products into new products. So these all are the 3 R's. If we can keep these all 3 R's in our mind, then we should always be there and we should always the clean neighbors, and we can make the clean always neighbors always clean, neighborhood always clean. So yeah, your chapter is completed. I hope you guys have understood. Now come through the exercise. It's the new words is there, only two new words are there: shopping malls and services. You can write down the new words from your book. Now come to the question number 1, fill in the blanks. So please read the question. I will give you the fill in the blanks only, and true false, and then after we will match the following and choose the correct option. I will upload on the website. So write down. The first is fill in the blanks. A. The dash near your house is your neighbor. Then answer is area. Spelling is AREA, area. B number. Neighbors dash each other and dash things. Then the answer first blank you can write help. Neighbors help, HELP, help each other and share things, SHARE, share things. C number. A neighborhood is part of a dash or dash. Then 3 blank is there. Then in my first blank you can fill city, CITY, city. Second, TOWN, town. And then the last is village, VILLAGE, village. D number. Neighborhood dash are useful for the people living in the area. Answer is services. Spelling is SERVICES, services. And the last is we must keep our neighborhood. Answer is clean. CLEAN. First is area. Second answer is help and share. Third answer is city, town and village. D answer is services and E answer is clean. The 2, 3, 4 I will upload on the website. You can go there and you can check your homework. Till that, thank you. Take care of yourself and have a nice day and read the book. Bye.